If you ever want to add members to a team workspace on Notion, let me show you how to do so. Once you're on Notion, click your workspace on the upper left hand side, and here you have invite members. You can also go into the workspace by clicking on the settings here and go down to where it says team space. Now, once you're under the team space, if you ever want to add members under the team space, you can simply go ahead and click the three dots towards the right hand side where you have the team space showing up. Click the three dots, and here you have add members. So you can go ahead and you click add members, and you can search people or group into this section here. As you can see, you can also click the drop down. It says team space member, or you can click the drop down, and you also have where it basically say that you want to give them the rights, right? So you can add them as an owner, you can add them as a member. Whichever option you want to give them, you can just switch it and then add the people or group and then send the invite. But that's how you go ahead and invite someone to your Notion team space. Very easy and very simple.